हाय गाइस, कैसे हैं आप। आई होप दैट यू विल स्टे एट योर होम and enjoy my YouTube channel. Today is my topic nucleophilic substitution reaction in haloalkane. Nucleophilic means a nucleophile and atom or molecule that donate electron pair to make a covalent bond. It is called Lewis base. Example: OS negative, Cn negative, H2O. Ion atom or molecules that donate electron pair to make a covalent bond, it is called Lewis base. Example है OS negative, cyanide या Cn negative, H2O. Clear? Substitution means a substance which replaced by another substance is means that substitution. Reaction in haloalkane. Let's start. Nucleophilic substitution reaction in haloalkane are two types. First is a S1 reaction. S means substitution, N means nucleophilic, one means unimolecular. S means substitution, N means nucleophilic, one means unimolecular. First, it is a completed by two step. First step is slow and formed carbocation. Second step is fast and addition of nucleophile. Clear? S1, S means substitution, N means nucleophilic, one means unimolecular. It is completed by two steps. First step is slow and second is and form the carbocation. First step slow and form the carbocation. Second step is fast and addition of nucleophile. Let's example. RX. First step is slow. Then form the carbocation, R positive, X negative. That is called carbocation. And second step is attack on nucleophile. We represent nucleophile is Nu and electron pair. Then RNU. Clear? Let's another example. I have CH3 whole thrice, C is Cl. Clear? So first step is a slow and form the carbocation. So CH3 whole thrice, C positive plus Cl negative. It is a carbocation. And second step is addition of nucleophile on carbocation. So nucleophile here is OH negative. Then its step is fast CH3 whole thrice COH. Clear? तो S1 reaction is two step completed. First step is slow and form the carbocation, and second step is fast and addition of nucleophile. Clear? Why are called the unimolecular? Because it is depend on one molecules. Alkyl halide, it is depend on the one molecule, alkyl halide, and it is a first order reaction. Clear? Second, SN2 reaction. Second is a SN2 reaction. S means substitution, N means nucleophile, 2 means bimolecular. It is depend on the nucleophile and alkyl halide. Best example, RX plus OH negative. SN2 reaction is completed one step and attack on nucleophile in back side. SN2 reaction is completed one step and attack on nucleophile in back side. Clear? Let's see as example. Nucleophile HO plus RX. First step, it formed the transition because X जो है जैसे ही बाहर निकलेगा उसी टाइम पे OH यहाँ पे ऐड होगा तो ये ट्रांजिशन बनाएगा. तो यहाँ पे हम राइट करेंगे HO डॉट डॉट it is a transition state. And next, ROH plus X negative. Clear? Thank you.